Irare mihango ya mwaka IRIA ria Imwana kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet no kwa mutino muru mihango iragarũrũka na gũtuĩka maithori thutha wa Imwana ithano gukua mathaa manini thutha wacio kugimario guku na wangi 28 marathaitĩrwo thibitari ngũrani kaunti-ini ino kũrĩ mwari ward ya ICU. Kuringana na MINISTA wa UGIMA wa MWIRI kaunti-ini ino KIBIWOT, othe aya marari na mirimu ngurani iria ni hamwe na pneumonia na mirimu iria igwatanagio kuhitukira bacteria ya thakame.
We continue to receive more. In the last 24 hours we have admitted 24 initiates from across our county, including the neighboring county of Uasin Gishu, have come into our hospitals with severe pneumonia, severe septicemia and severe pneumonia amongst others.
KIBIWOT augete ikiro cia utheru kuria ciana iragimaragĩrio cia gukorwo nicio iracũngĩrĩirie mĩrimũ iyo riu aciari makihinyĩrĩrio guthingata kuria ciana ciao iragimarĩrio.
We want to take this opportunity to appeal to all the caregivers who have initiated in the seclusion to take the extra caution and safeguard the health and the lives of the initiates.
It's sadly to say that the lives that have been lost are needless. We are not supposed to lose any life because the procedure by itself is supposed to be a safe procedure, and but because of the conditions surrounding the procedure and surrounding the care following the procedure, which has exposed the initiates into this condition.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi kaunti-ini no Piegon augete uthuthuria wigie mirimu ino no uratwarithio na mbere.
Our desire as health workers is that once we are able to identify these cases, that we should be able to have prompt referrals to the facilities so that they can be given care that is needed.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wairima wa Mũthũi.